upon a time, there were two staplers who were madly in love. They spent every minute together. They thought they would be together forever. But then one day, Mr. Stapler walked into the... Get down, get down, get down. He was enraged to see his wife cheating on him with this Pikachu, so he quickly grabbed a pool and Pikachu to death. Pikachu? Pikachu? No! Ah! Dad? Dad? Ah! Pikachu's son set out for revenge. He started lifting weights so he could find the murderer of his father, but he was benching too much and did not have a spotter. Oh my god! Oh no! The Pikachu family was dead. Jigglypuff noticed all the dead Pikachus, but didn't seem to care that much. I love trampolines! Woo! Get off my trampoline, you pink bitch. It's mine. Rabble, 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 rabble. Wait, no, I'm still mad at you. Pikachu tried to date other things, such as this cat, but he just didn't have any luck. He was doomed for this single life. Not even this cat would love him, and this cat loves everyone. The moral of the story is, never have more than one stapler.
Can't rock it like this.